Hello guys, good morning, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to Damaris Mwita official YouTube channel. Guys, if you are new here, thank you for joining. If you are turning subscriber, thank you a million times. I'm not taking it for granted. Guys, this is fish. I wanna prepare it and I'm going to cook it in the oven. So I have already made, I just take the garlic, the black chili, the green chili, just mixed together, and I mixed some spicy salt, lemon together, and from there you can see I'm washing my fish. So I'm going to wash my fish very thoroughly. You know, if you wanna cook a nice food, you must wash your fish very nice. So that is my process. I'm going to wash. After finishing washing my fish, I'm going to start applying the things I have done. You can say I have finished washing my fish. This fish is ready made from the supermarket. It doesn't have bones. Yeah, it's very soft. So you need to cook to take care of the fish. So this is my fish. As you can see, I'm going to take the spicy and the garlic and everything. I start to apply. I'm applying on my fish on the top of it. Let me show you how I'm doing it. This is how I'm doing it. I'm going to apply, like, you know, when you apply like that, it brings that taste of the fish, the smell and everything. Yeah, so if you wanna cook your fish and you want a very nice fish, very beautiful, very tasty, just follow this procedure. It's going to be so good. Guys, for me, I don't like fish with oil. Like, I fry fish with oil. I like fish which I cook in the oven. It comes so yummy and delicious. So as you can see, I'm keep continuing applying my spice on the top of the fish. I'm making sure like the spicy enter every place of the fish. You can see. Yeah, I'm using my spice I have made. You can see what I'm doing. Yeah, this is the last one. I'm applying the fish there. Oh my god, what is happening? I'm just forgetting things. I'm trying to apply my, oh god, have mercy, my spicy, which I have already made. So guys, the process, as you can see, I have finished this. You can see how it looks. This is like a plate, a big plate, and I just put aluminium on the top of it. When you put aluminium, it like help the plate, it's not going to get dusty, because you know this is spicy. Yeah, but it depends how you cook. You can cook on the oil, you can cook as you want. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm just looking like, wow, I have done this. Now I wanna put in the oven and wait and see the result. Oh, I can't wait to see how it's going to be cooked and how it's going to be. How it's going to be cooked and how it's going to be. So it's time to take my fish to a oven. This is the oven. I have already opened it. You can see the fire there is on. Okay, I'm going to take the fish from this side to this side. I can see how it looks. MashaAllah, I like it. So I'm going to leave there for 20 minutes. It's going to be cooked for 20 minutes. Now you can see the results. See, the result is so yummy, so good, so nice. You can try for your family. Let me cut small and see like how it looks. Yeah, but I'm going to put up downside, because the side place it need to be cooked. Yeah, that is what I'm going to do, to put it upside down, and then I will take it back to the fire for again like 10 minutes, because now it has already cooked. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. Guys, keep supporting, keep subscribing. And guys, you can see I have taken it back to the fire. Just wait and see what I'm going to do here. Wow, mashallah. Like what I'm doing. I'm going to take it back to the fire. After taking it back to the fire, to the oven, I'm going to close it and give like another 10 minutes. From there, guys, see, this is my last result. See, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting me, keep subscribing so that whenever I'm posting any vlog, you not miss it. Yeah, so stay tuned. Road to success. This is me here. I'm trying to see, like, can I take a thumbnail, because I wanna put a thumbnail on my video. That is a thumbnail. I'm trying to take it from this point. And mind you, the plate is so hot, so you can see how I'm struggling. Yeah, you can see how it goes, but finally, bye bye.